Health benefits of chicory coffee. When it comes to coffee, there are so many different types and flavors to choose from. If you're looking for something new to try, chicory coffee is a great option. This coffee has a unique, nutty flavor that is unlike any other. Additionally, chicory coffee has numerous health benefits. It is known to improve digestion, boost immune system function, and even fight cancer. If you're looking for a delicious and healthy coffee option, chicory coffee is the way to go. Some other health benefits of chicory coffee include: 1. Chicory coffee is a good source of antioxidants. Regular coffee is known for its high levels of antioxidants, but chicory coffee takes it to the next level. Chicory coffee is made by roasting and grinding the roots of the chicory plant, which is part of the Asteraceae family. The resulting coffee has a rich, nutty flavor with hints of caramel. It's also packed with antioxidants that can help protect your cells from damage. These health benefits make chicory coffee a great choice for those looking to improve their overall health. So if you're looking for an antioxidant-rich coffee option, be sure to give chicory coffee a try. You just might be surprised by how much you like it. 2. It can help lower cholesterol levels. Coffee is often lauded for its health benefits, and chicory coffee is no exception. This type of coffee is made by blending roasted chicory root with ground coffee beans. Chicory coffee has a similar flavor to regular coffee, but it also contains chicory root extract, which is known to have cholesterol-lowering properties. One study found that chicory coffee was able to significantly lower LDL, bad, cholesterol levels in participants. Chicory coffee may also help to increase HDL, good, cholesterol levels. This means that drinking chicory coffee may help to improve your overall cholesterol profile and reduce your risk of heart disease. Finally, chicory coffee can also help regulate blood sugar levels. Chicory coffee has been shown to help regulate blood sugar levels. Chicory coffee is made from the chicory root, which is rich in inulin. Inulin is a type of soluble fiber that helps slow down the absorption of sugar in the bloodstream. As a result, chicory coffee can help to prevent spikes in blood sugar levels after meals. In addition, chicory coffee is also a good source of antioxidants and other nutrients that can help support overall health. While chicory coffee is not a substitute for medical treatment, it may be a helpful addition to your diet if you are looking for ways to regulate blood sugar levels. Chicory coffee may offer some health benefits due to its high antioxidant content and other nutrients. Preliminary research suggests that chicory coffee can help lower cholesterol levels and regulate blood sugar levels. If you enjoy drinking coffee, adding a little chicory may be a good way to boost your health without making any significant changes to your diet. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. Subscribe to the channel and share this video to a coffee lover friend.